Hello everyone, welcome to the display series of Spaniel. We will discuss the size and load capacity of the Spaniel electrical bike components. If you have watched the unboxing video of our products, you will know that our bicycle is basically divided into two parts, especially for shipping. First of all, you will get a large bicycle box. All the bicycle parts are packed inside this box. And then you will also get another box which includes your front tire. Obviously, this is an indispensable part for you. We will provide you with instructions on how to do all of this in more detail. Your bike is composed of the following parts. The first one is your frame. Then there are batteries and wheels, including your front and rear wheels. Then in the middle of your battery frame, there is also a motor system. It is the rear hub motor. Then back to the rear tire, followed by your transmission system, including the 7-speed gear system, and finally, you have a brake system with an integrated tail. The wings are light, so they contribute all the main parts of your bike. These 6 parts make up your whole bike. In addition, we also have some auxiliary parts, such as connecting compartments or bags, which can actually be connected and fixed to the rear tire, so that you can put anything on top of it. You can see that right over here on the back. You can put your picnic food on it, or you can take your pet. You can also hold a lot of snacks or bags. In addition, there is a mobile phone holder in the front of your bicycle, which will also come with other gadgets. As you can also see here, the height from ground to top of the handlebar is 46.5 inches. And then you can adjust the height of the seat. The highest height from the seats to the ground is 36.5 inches. Another question we often encounter is whether my height is suitable for this size bike. Take me as an example. For me, I'm about 6 foot tall, so this bike is perfect for me. It is very suitable for people like my father as well. He is about 5'11". And it is also very suitable for my mother, who is a little bit shorter than that. So you can judge whether it is comfortable to ride the Spaniel bicycle according to your height. Our bicycle frame is made of high-strength aluminum alloy. Experimental tests have proved to be not easy to corrode and has great load-bearing capacity. So the frame is super strong. In addition, we use a double beam structure in the design of this bike, which makes the frame even stronger. Plus, such a strong frame with tires and 750 watt motor, this bike has more load capacity than many similar bicycles on the market. So when you ride on normal streets, your bike can now carry about 350 pounds. For safety reasons and considering other outdoor riding conditions you may encounter, we recommend the riding load should not exceed 320 pounds. If you want to use your bicycle to carry other payloads, please check in advance whether the tires of the vehicle are intact, whether the screws of the vehicle are strong, and whether your battery is full or not. If you want someone to ride on the bicycle, please make sure that you have checked the screws and the tires. Make sure that they are filled with air and everything is in good condition so that your bike can successfully load 320 pounds. Another thing that we must insist that you do not do is step on the brakes very hard when you're about to turn in a sharp angle. This may cause your bike to slip. So if you do this, please make sure how much weight that you already have added to the bicycle at any given time. This is today's discussion about the size and load capacity of our bicycle parts. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a message here or contact us on our website, www.multijoybike.com. Thank you very much and have a great day.